who you will play the gamble, the same people will come to you ask for the money. They meaning you in which whose money you are under debt. So what will be your reaction when someone is asking for money outside of your home by shouting? Okay, and he is taking your items on the you have scooter. He has taken a scooter away. He has taken your TV away. He somehow now you have given your property paper to him. Okay, so don't what will your reaction at that moment?
So you mentioned about that.
It is not done just because of gambling. If we are in debt, no, other than gambling, then also our scooters or bikes or homes are taking off borrowed if we are in a debt.
If you have borrowed some money, if someone, then you have not paid at that time, so he also gets
You borrow
asked
money, you lost in that gambling.
You again borrow money and you again lost it. You again lost it. You stuck in a trap.
It's going to be 3.
Yes, you mentioned that debt. So I want to add one point as that the topic is alcohol. So that same condition also created in alcohol.
Okay.
And
If-
second point,
if anyone-
the same
if
condition
anyone
also
consume-
happened
Don't-
in the
don't
living
interrupt.
relationship.
No,
And
Let him
not in
complete.
a relation.
Let me
Living
complete. Let me
relationship is
complete.
funny.
Let me complete. This condition also happen in the alcohol, correct? And this condition also happen in castress. How?
How tell us?
I will tell
Okay,
you.
I will tell you.
Yes.
Now this girl
Yes, now
Tapasya,
continue.
better stand
Okay,
up
yes,
and
first
share
you.
your views in your favor or against everybody. Please stand up quick.
Leave down this camera for 1 minute. I prefer.
The next person, quick.
Camera focus. Yes.
So, I am favoring live-in relationship, and my point is basically it has no, we can say, disadvantages. Basically, it is about the view of people. It is not an addiction.
Now the person who will speak now will stand up. Then speak, please. Yes, it will look better.
So basically, live-in is not a, we can say, like gambling or alcohol where you will get addicted. It is a kind of form of relationship.
From this team, does somebody have to speak? I'm giving chance. Then don't repent later. Who is ready now to rebuttal? Okay.
Okay, as she said, she mentioned, live and receive is kind of a form of love. So in that form of love,
Yes.
sometimes people are duped a lot.
Hmm.
Sometimes people are duped a lot, and just because of fun, they just take decision to be together. That's what I want to say.
Okay, have a seat, please. Who is ready to answer his statement? Now, is nobody ready?
That is the also a very big problem for our society, because first of all our society didn't accept it, and if any girl suppose suffered from it, and if society know about it na, so definitely he comes suicide, otherwise his and her marriage didn't happen in future.
Very good. Please.
And as he said that living in relationship is good because we get to know a person to person, but sometimes she and he misuse his and her partner
Okay.
in like in money and you can say physically, and make a video and release and take a money, like these all things.
Okay.
In living relationship.
Yes.
According to me, sir, living relationship is also a type of gambling. You know what? How? Sir, in this living relationship, we
Okay.
gamble like with we gamble with
You
life.
mean to say everything is gamble in life?
Sir, let me
Yes.
clear. We gamble with life of a girl that they are in living relationship, and the boy found that this girl is not suitable for me and he rejected her. Then it is a gamble for that girl.
Okay.
And now come towards alcohol. Alcohol is also type of gambling.
How?
You are trying to say that
when we consume alcohol, we enjoy it, and we little bit getting drunk or नशा होने लगता है थोड़ा थोड़ा.
So it is called we get intoxicated and we go in the trance like
and
that.
we go in trance, and our friends, when we sit with friends, we started consuming more and more, and it is a gamble with our life.
Okay.
Because alcohol may affect our liver. It create cancer diseases.
It can create.
It can create cancer diseases. And
Okay.
So then,
Okay, sit down, please. Yes, let him stand up.
Okay,
This is
firstly,
this.
I am talking. Okay, I am comfortable. So I am talking about alcohol firstly. If you have consumption of alcohol in a not small things, and you are going to going anywhere, and you go you are doing some accident, you saw that accident.
This is
Then-
called if you meet with an accident.
Yes, you meet with the accident, and there is a police who comes to help you, and he saw that if you have drink a little bit of alcohol or a consumption or a hard thing, if or there is another person who don't consume any type of alcohol, but police blamed you just because of you have consumption of
police will
alcohol.
As you mentioned about
Police.
I have one point. As you mentioned about accident, one sir said if you consume alcohol so much and you are intoxication or addicted to it, you are still in your mind in that set. If you consume alcohol so much, so
You have
Okay, let me. I will. There is, if you have a consumption a little bit, and you have any type of accident. If police have come and they have checked your mouth, and there is a smell of alcohol, so he blamed you, and there is another part.
and police arrest.
I want
police arrest
also
the
add one point.
By gambling, police
Okay,
will not
everybody,
arrest you.
please. Jia, wait.
And you know, if you play gambling in just like you sitting in park and any area of street, and the police know about that, and police also came nearby you, and if you playing gambling in their area, and that's the money you
Borrow for play.
borrow from
They snatch you.
playing gambling, and the police catch the money also, and if otherwise that money you also pay more money to police also.
मनी को दाग पे लगाना बेटा, उसको कहते हैं
There is
स्टेट.
a
First of all,
State.
we can't play gambling in park,
Arey, one
and
by
even
one.
we can't drink in park.
I am not saying you.
So